Hey guys, FCUK. Alright, show me. I refuse to speak because of Rihanna-induced circumstances. Severe mental dramas. I'm playing that song. If I turn it up, will you talk? Under my umbrella. Hey, hey. Spoon versus box. No, be game. Hold on. I can sing it without the music. You can sit under my umbrella and Ella, okay, this is really boring now. Okay, so umbrella, okay, so ouch! Give me the ball. Okay, fine. We had special K for breakfast, and I think this is why wrong. Either that or my mom put something in our 1% milk. Have a spoon. Okay. Okay, guys. Shoving it down my throat. No, this one. Oh, wait. Yeah, okay. It's like the worst trick in the book. But I'm bored. Oh, I think you're okay now. Okay. Sorry. No, and now it's raining. And now it's raining more than ever. Know that we'll still have each other. You can stand under my umbrella. You can stand under my umbrella. This is all purely about pissing off. It's Piss Off Amanda Month. I have to send this to Jason. Oh, I have to tell Jason this song annoys him. Oh, this is how much I love my wife. So, we had Special K. Now we're hyper. I'm in a really good mood. I have cramps. Oh! She just punched me in the baby maker. And I'm ranting too much. Okay, fine. We'll play the howling. Yeah, you'll hear it in a minute. I'm sure. Noise from my camera. We've been seeing what you wanna, got us cornered right now. I got your corner! Our vanity might cost us our lives. We're getting closer, houses and the chills down my spine. Okay, this one's really boring. Sorry, guys. I don't really have anything to say. Weird, happy hyper off of Special K. Alright, so Special K had it to say. Let's see what the popcorn box has to say about this. It attacked Amanda. We're very sorry for our loss. Lord Adone has something to say too. Hold on, where's Lord Adone? That one attacked Amanda too. You know, I'm glad I caught it. We don't know what would happen if I didn't catch it. It's turned on by Man Pixels. Yay! Okay, so apparently my fans, because I have fans now, and I think I'm one of the coolest people in the world, because I have red hair, even though it's not that red. I'm going to be dyeing it soon again. To tell them that. Yeah, sorry for the delay and it's gonna be 10 fucking minutes long kind of thing. I think I'm bipolar. Cause like yesterday was hella fucking emo, and then I was like happy emo, and then I'm now just happy. I think I'm bipolar, Amanda. Good puppy! Good puppy! FCK doll saying, I just murdered my wife. See you in jail.